Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now for this video, we're going to talk about how to use Odoo CRM project management tool. Now this is going to be a complete tutorial for beginners, so please take your pen and paper, or you can pause a video from now and then to follow on the tutorial. Now I'm currently using a Windows PC, so if you might be wondering, does it work on a laptop? Does it work on a iOS, MacBook? So the answer to that one is yes, it's perfectly working for any devices across the platform. So you want to do right now is fire up the device right there and open up a browser. Right now I'm using Google Chrome. You can use Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Linux, as long as you can access the internet. Now this is going to be the google.com. I'm just going to search in here, Odoo, and basically you're going to have a lot of results there. So for this one, just click the first one, open source ERP and CRM. Click on it. Now this is going to be how it should look like. So welcome to Odoo. This is going to be the website we're going to use for now. So as you can see right there, all your business on one platform. Simple, efficient, yet affordable. It only costs you $7.25 per month for all applications. It also has an advisor. You can demo with an expert, or basically have a large company demo. Well anyway, what are going to be the applications that we're talking about here? Starting from accounting all the way down to dashboard, or you can imagine without Odoo here. Let me just try this out. If I click on this one, this is going to be what's inside, what they're using before. For accounting, you're using QuickBooks, right? For knowledge, you're using Notion. DocuSign for Sign, Slack for Discuss, Project for Asana, SAP for this for right here, Service Cloud for Field Service, Harvest for Timesheet, and email marketing for HubSpot. So everything here has its own usage. Everything here has going to be its own platform. For example, Helpdesk is going to be better for Zendesk. That's why it created this comparison. So if I remove this one, everything here now is going to be under Odoo. That's why they say all your business on one platform. You can also view all apps here. Let's check them out. So for website, you have these applications. For sales, you have this 5 right here, starting from CRM all the way to rental. You have finance. I love how they organize each of the applications here. Inventory and manufacturing, you also have them from quality, maintenance, purchase, inventory, manufacturing, and product lifecycle management, or PLM. Human resources, you also have employees, fleet, time off, recruitment, referral, and appraisals. Marketing, services, productivity, customization, and the best part, it has a free trial. Again, it doesn't require a credit card, it has instant access, because I'm seeing a lot of platforms like there that they're claiming their free trial, however, they're asking for a credit card detail to get that free trial started. Speaking about prices, let's check on the pricing for this website. Even though it has a free trial, of course, we need to check on the pricing. So we have the monthly payment and the yearly. So if you're using the yearly, you can save up to $2 per month. That's going to be the differences. Well, anyway, for the one app free, you only have one application, a limited users for Odoo Online. Standard, you have everything. You can choose a free trial for the standard custom, but for now, we're going to utilize the free trial. So I'm going to click on start now for this one, for the free trial. It's just going to ask us for applications. So since this is going to be a free trial, I'm just going to go for CRM. Because if I choose more than one, it will give me the option for the paid plan. So I'm going to click on continue for the CRM. Now for here, I'm just going to apply some descriptions. I'm going to just use some dummy emails here. I'm just going to go for start right there. For the email, I'm going to use the dummy email I'm using right now. That will be this one right here. So I strongly suggest if you're testing the waters, please use a dummy email to start with. So I'm just going to fill everything out here and I'll catch you once I'm inside, right? So welcome back to the video. Now Odoo will ask us for a few questions to tailor fit our user interface. So for now, I'm going to click on CRM. By the way, guys, you need to activate your email. If you're not, your database will expire in 14 hours. Well, anyway, for this one, this is how it should look like. Now, the first thing I'm looking whenever I'm using a new website or new platform, I'm looking for that dark theme because I don't really like a white theme. So on the upper right sections, we have the options for your account right there, and there we have it. We have the dark mode option. I so much love this one. Now to get started from here, I'm gonna click on the new button right there. I'm just gonna add some task here. So I'm gonna do this one, sample company, like so. I love how they have some suggestions. All right. I'm just gonna type it that one more again. Click on enter, and I'm gonna click on create and edit. So for this one, it gives the option to edit the name of the company or person I wanna apply that to. Now for this one, let me just name this one. I'm just gonna go for sample street, like so. And I think this should be trying it out. Click on save, and we have one right now. Now this is gonna be a tracker for that specific company. Three dots right there gives the option to edit that card, to edit that task. In here, you can click on it and edit some more. The fun part about this one is you can click won or lost for this one, since this is a CRM. If they don't like your approval or you didn't give their approval, click on lost. If you got their approval, click on won. You can check the expected revenue for this one, the probability for this one, the email, phones, contacts should be right there, and the expected closing should be on this one. Pretty awesome, right? Now going back here, I can click on qualified for here, proposition, and one. As you can see right there. And here I have your activity. So you can check or have an activity inside each of the company's card. For example, you have your to do here, the due date, the assign, you can note here, sample note, like so. Mark as done, and basically have it right there. Same drill if you want to add another one, click on new right there. Just add some more if you want, but for now, I think I should be good to go. Alright, now this is gonna be the one I have here. I can just change it, whatever I have for the new one, the proposition, and the works. Notice whenever I place something on the one, this symbol is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be congratulating us for our first deal, which is actually really good. And notice that everything here has an AI, a sidekick, a secretary, reminding us that looks like nothing is planned. It's giving us a tip on how to work it out. I can schedule an activity for this one, click on save, and for this one, I can drag this one for opportunity for one, as you can see right there. I can generate labels, and so on and so forth. I'm gonna name this one for retailing, generate leads, and basically for that one, I can create a new one, another one. Pretty awesome, right? Now on the thoughts right here, you can change how it looks like. If you want it to be a Kanban, cardboard, a list, a calendar. This one is a pivot. This is gonna be another one for graph, a map. But for me, the best one right now is gonna be Kanban. It helps me really get track on what's happening on my business, my sales, my customers, my clients. Search bar is going to be right there. You can filter what we're looking for. And the most powerful tool for me, of course, is the search bar. Upper right section, we have the sales. We have the reporting and configuration as well. The pipeline is going to be right there. You can change the settings. Export spreadsheet should be right here. However, you need to integrate it. And boxes right there. This one's going to be the leads. The setting should be right here. And basically, that's it for the beginner tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.